Your support team solved a tricky customer case today. But what happens if the same issue pops up next month and the agent handling it has no idea what to do? Chances are they'll waste hours trying to figure it out again. Well, if the solution was already written down, step by step, the new agent could resolve it in minutes without asking anyone. Hello, I'm Shrey, and this is Getting Started with Salesforce. In this video, I'll help you understand how to set up a knowledge base in Salesforce. A knowledge base or a knowledge article is simply a documentation of questions and solutions so that instead of figuring out everything from scratch, the user or support agents can refer to this documentation for faster resolution of the cases. So before wasting any time, let's jump right into it. First, let's try to understand how using knowledge articles can help you resolve your cases quickly and efficiently. Whenever a new case logs in and assigned to a support agent, all they need to do is open the case, and in the right panel, they'll be able to see all of the knowledge articles which are relevant to the case that they are trying to resolve. For example, let's look at a case regarding office chairs. The case subject here states that there is a reclining issue with the executive chair, and the description is customer complains that the executive chair is not reclining as expected and creating jokes. Now, the agent can browse the knowledge repository of all articles related to chairs and choose the best knowledge article which can help them solve the case. Here we have resolving reclining malfunction in executive chairs, which seems relevant with all the steps to resolve the case. If an article seems relevant, we can simply attach the article to the case and the agent will try to resolve the issue using the information mentioned in the article. Once it is resolved, we can go back and mark the case as closed. And that is how easy it is to resolve a case using knowledge articles. But this is not exactly how it's going to look like for you if you're just getting started with your Salesforce org. Let's set up a knowledge base. You first need to go to Setup, find Knowledge Settings, and enable the knowledge article here. By default, the users have access to the knowledge base, but in case any of the users does not have this access, then you need to search for the user in Quick Find and make sure that the knowledge user checkbox is checked to allow access to the users. To enable more features which are going to make your job easier, follow these steps. Number 1, to allow users to get automatic suggestions which are relevant to their cases, go to Knowledge Settings and check the box which says Suggest related articles on cases. Add the fields which you want the search to be based on. We've added subject over here. Number 2, to enable users to create any new knowledge articles directly from the cases that they have recently resolved, check the box Allow users to create an article from a case. Now, if you look for knowledge in the app launcher and click on it, it shows that it is an unsupported item. This is because we have yet to complete the knowledge setup in the service app. So we need to go to our service setup and find the knowledge setup. Click on it and a pop-up will open up here. The first step here is to select the user for whom you want to set up the knowledge base. Now click Next. And here you can categorize the data, but I'm not doing it, so just click Next and then Finish. Go back to where we first saw knowledge as an unsupported item. Refresh the page and you can see the knowledge item. Now you can create a knowledge article for this case. Click New. Since it is regarding the hydraulics issue, I'm giving this article the title as Hydraulic Malfunction in Chairs. Let's add a question here. What action can be taken to resolve the performance issue of the hydraulics in adjustable chairs? And add an answer to help the agent with a solution. Over here, we've added a step-by-step solution for cases like this. The knowledge article is complete now. Let's go back to the case and make this article visible for new support agents. To make the article visible on the case record, we first need to edit the page layout. Click on Edit Page and drag the knowledge component onto the case page. Add a new details tab, make it default, and drag the component in this tab. Save the changes and activate it as the org default. Once done, the knowledge component will be visible on the case page. If we search for hydraulics here, ideally the article should appear. But at this stage, it won't show up yet because the article is still in draft. Articles must always be published before they can be searched or linked to cases. Once published, they immediately become available in the knowledge component on the case page. So let's go back, publish the article, and then search again. Now you can see the article linked directly on the case. And your knowledge base is all set up in Salesforce. So next time a similar case comes up, instead of starting from zero, your team will already have the answers ready to go. Make sure to stay tuned for more such getting started with Salesforce videos.
Liked what you saw? Well, there's a lot more, and I can send you a curated playlist of trending topics, Salesforce updates, and training essentials. Join our newsletter and get your weekly package of exclusive Salesforce content straight to your inbox. The link is in the description. Don't miss out.